Hey, Caleb.
Hey, Merritt.
You know what we should do?
What?
Let's go jam.
We should see if Mike wants to play with us.
Hey guys, I heard my name. Need something from me?
I forgot he can do that.
Yeah. All right. Anyway, we were talking about going down to the youth room and maybe jamming some.
Oh really? Well, I'd love to, but I haven't got a guitar with me.
Oh.
Whoa, wow, man.
We all set? Let's go.
Caleb? That doesn't sound right.
No, not at all.
Let's try it again.
Oh, well, wait. What key are y'all playing in?
We're in G.
Oh, I was doing it in C.
Oh!
But I'm sorry. Let's
Do it, G and C.
let me try putting the capo on.
That'll do it. Capo will fix it every
let's
time.
see. Yeah. Let's.
Yeah. There you go.
Let's see if that'll work.
You the man.
Yep. All right, here we go. Take it away, Merritt.
All right.
No, it still isn't it.
You're out of tune.
I think you're out of tune.
What?
Have you tuned up lately?
I can't be.
Man, you're out of
I
tune
can't
with
be.
you're out of tune with the rest of the bunch. That's the way that is.
Oh, now I hear it. Okay, all right.
Yeah,
man, that's
all right,
sick.
okay.
There you go. Yeah. Sounds right now. That looks good.
Hey, Merritt.
Yeah.
Let's go ahead and film the ending real quick.
All right.
Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. And after you subscribe, how about hitting that notification bell so that you are made aware whenever we post videos?
You can also follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram at Fight Creek 1818. Dude, I'm so sorry.
It's all right.